Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the PMO 2023 qualifying round, which is from the average round. Tapos ang topic nito is combinatorics, mga idol. So ang problem natin is Ernest sa jar with 26 identical cookies. Nakita niyo yung word na identical, di ba? So he wants to finish the cookies in the jar by eating 2 or 3 each day. In how many ways can he do this? So, paano po ba natin kinukuha yung ganitong klase ng problem? Or Sir IJ, paano po natin siya sinusolve? Okay, sige. Listen carefully sa mga Lodi Geeks natin, especially dun sa mga math enthusiasts and aspiring math wizards. So, let's say A yung bilang ng yung A yung bilang ng combination ng dalawang cookies and B naman yung sa tatluhan. So, from that, we can relate that 2A plus 3B equals 26. Kumbaga ito yung A yung bilang ng dalawang cookies sa isang araw. Ito naman yung B natin, yung bilang ng tatluhang cookies sa isang araw. So, kailangan nating malaman yung mga possible values ni A at saka ni B. Integral kasi pwede naman yung 0. So, anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? So, pwede natin gawin, so you have 2A equals 26 minus 3B. Nilipat ko lang mga Lodi So, that means na yung A equals 26 minus 3B over 2. So, from this case, pwede ka nang gumawa ng table. Start ka sa B equals 0. Kasi ang 26 minus 0 is equal to 26 divided by 2, so that's 13. So, pwede kang gumawa ng table. So, you have A and B. So, applying the given equation, if B is 0, you have A equals 13, right? So, yung B bawal maging add kasi 26 minus add will give you an add value or add difference divided by 2, so that will have 8.5. So, dapat sakto po yan. So, ang next natin na possible value ni B is 2. So, 26 minus 3 times 2. So, that's 6. 26 minus 6. That's 10 divided by, that's 20 divided by 2. So, that is 10. So, next natin yung 4. 3 times 4, 12. 26 minus 12, 14 divided by 2, 7. So, makikita nyo yung pattern, nababawasan ng tatlo, nadadagdagan ng dalawa. So, this is 6, this is 4, last but not the least, this is 8 and this is 1. Kasi pag nabawasan to, negative na siya. So, Sir IJ, ano po yung ibig sabihin yan? Kumbaga, 13 times na 2 cookies per day. Parang ganon. Dito naman, 10 times doon na dalawang cookies sa isang araw and dalawang beses doon, 3 cookies sa isang araw. So, how do we do that? Dahil identical yan, gamit tayo ng permutation with repetition o kaya pwede rin naman rectang combination. So, paano natin malalaman yung number of ways dito, Sir IG, sa 13 and 0? Pwede mong i-add yan, 13 plus 0, so that's 13 factorial over 13 factorial, 0 factorial. Kasi yan yung mga the same, di ba? Naalala nyo, kunyari, meron tayong word na banana. So, balik tayo sa basic permutation with repetition. Kapag sa banana, di ba, binibilang lang naman natin yung bilang ng letters, so the number of ways to arrange the letters all over sa mga repeated ones. So, for A, that is 3. So, for N, that is 2. And for B, isa lang naman, so hindi na sinasali. Parang ganun lang yung concept natin dito. So, for this one, ilan to sa 10 and 2? 10 plus 2, so that's 12 factorial over 10 factorial, 2 factorial. So, dapat mabilis kayo mag-evaluate nito especially dun sa mga math enthusiasts natin. 11 factorial over 7 factorial, 4 factorial. Tapos, ito naman, 4 plus 6, so that's 10 factorial over 4 factorial, 6 factorial. 1 plus 8, so this is 9 factorial over 1 factorial, 8 factorial. So, 13 factorial over 13 factorial, 0 factorial, that's 1. 12 factorial over 10 factorial, 2 factorial. So, pwede nyo naman siyang manu-manuhin or pwede nyo i-cancel na lahat, so that will be equal to 66. Ito naman, 11 factorial over 7 factorial, 4 factorial. So, pwede ko kang bigyan ng guide. Paano ginagawa yan? 11 factorial over 7, 4 factorial. So, magiging 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 pababa. 7 factorial siya, mga Lodi Geeks. So, multiply natin, tanggal natin. So, ang 4 factorial is 24. Or you can rewrite this as 4, 3, 2, and 1. 4 times 3 times 2, that's 24. 9 times 8, 72. Divide 24, 3. 3 times 10, that's 30 times 11, that's 330. So, ganun lang yung pag-evaluate. Same thing with the other one. So, this is 210, and this is equal to 9. And just add the number or the number of ways per case. So that will be the answer. 1 plus 66, 67 plus 330, that's 397. 397 plus 219. Okay, that is correct. The correct answer is 616 ways. So for this problem, the correct answer is letter A. So sana may natutunan kayong panibago or if ever man na-refresh ko kayo mga Lodi Cakes. And sana marami pa kayo matutunan sa mga next tutorials natin related sa engineering and sa math. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. Happy holidays mga Lodi Cakes. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless and bye-bye.